Most beginners adjust sliders randomly and hope the image improves, but professional Photoshop editing starts with intentional evaluation. Begin by examining the histogram, not the image itself. The histogram reveals hidden clipping issues long before they appear visually. Correct exposure using levels instead of exposure, because levels give finer control over tonal separation. Next, neutralize color cast by sampling a true gray point with the gray eyedropper. This establishes accurate color balance instantly. Move into contrast using a curves adjustment layer, shaping contrast through subtle anchor points rather than aggressive S-curves. For detail enhancement, apply high-pass sharpening selectively with a soft mask, avoiding skin and noise-prone areas. Color refinement should rely on selective color,